Ladies and gentlemen, however, at this moment of the day, we're covering reproductive systems, part A, reproductive systems in plants.
Morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever moment of the day it may be for you. Excellent. Now, before we get straight to the matter at hand, a quick reminder to my dedicated learners. I advise you to subscribe on our channel so that you won't lose our future lessons. Hit that notification bell so you're always updated. Also, please like and share this video with your friends.
Systems in plants. Introduction. Reproduction is the process by which living organisms produce new individuals of the same kind. In plants, reproduction begins with the seeds, which contains all parts needed to grow into a new plant. Seeds can be classified into monocotyledonous seeds as well as dicotyledonous seeds. Mono means one, and it comes from a Greek word meaning single. Cotyledon means a seed leaf. It is the first leaf or leaves that appears when a seed germinates. So monocotyledons, they germinate with one seed, including maize, ibka, sorghum, and so on. Dicotyledonous is a plant with the two seed leaves, e.g. bean, even cowpeas, nyemba, zinopinda ipapa. Structure of seeds. Structure of monocotyledonous seeds. Right, this is the structure. Seed coat. Seed coat, it also consists of testa or tegmen, the outer protective covering of the seed, which protects the seed from damage or drying. Endosperm stores food for the growing embryo, and food is mainly in the form of starch. Then cotyledon. The cotyledon absorbs the food from the endosperm and supplies it to the embryo. Then the radicle. The radicle develops into the root, and then the plumule. The plumule develops into the shoot. Right, let us move on to the structure of a dicotyledonous seed, for example, bean seeds. We have got the testa, which is a tough outer covering which protects the seed. The cotyledons, they store food for the embryo and then supply nutrients during germination, and there are two for dicotyledons. Radicle develops into the root, as well as the plumule, which develops into the shoot. So this is the structure of dicotyledonous seeds. Right, but remember, in dicotyledonous seeds, food is stored in the cotyledons, not in the endosperm. Differences between monocotyledonous and dicotyledonous seeds. We are going to explain feature, the number of cotyledons. In maize, we have got one. In dicotyledons, we have got two. And then food storage in monocotyledons, it is stored in endosperm, and this is where endosperm is located. And in dicotyledons, food is stored in the cotyledons. And remember, dicotyledons do not have endosperms. Seed size, usually small for monocotyledons and larger for dicotyledons. Examples include, for monocotyledons, we have maize and beans for dicotyledons. Right, let us move on to the next concept, the functions of cotyledon and endosperm. Starting with cotyledons. They store food that is in dicots, absorbs the food from endosperm in monocots, supplies nutrients to the growing embryo. Then the functions of the endosperm. They store food for the embryo, provide energy during germination, as well as common in monocotyledonous seeds. So our next lesson is human reproductive system. So stay tuned for this lesson. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so for free so you'll never miss any of our future lessons. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends so they can learn too. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. I'll personally attend to you. And don't forget to let me know which topic you'd like me to cover next. See you in the next lesson.